Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making vegan pulled barbecue mushroom sandwiches. They're going to be really delicious. We're going to be using a whole bunch of mushrooms, and I'm going to show you how it all comes together. I'm going to get over to the stove, give you a closer look, so let's get started. In my pan I've got some water heating up. We're going to add a half of a sliced onion. We're just going to saute in water today, adding water as needed, and we're just going to cook these for 2-3 minutes till they get soft. Now we're going to add 2 8-ounce packages of sliced crimini mushrooms. You could use whatever kind of mushrooms you would like. And we're going to let these cook down, and it's going to take a while. We want them to shrink down, release their moisture. So we'll take 5-6 minutes or so. These have cooked down quite nicely. We're going to add some spices, some salt, some cumin, garlic powder, onion powder. And we're just going to let this cook for another couple minutes. Now you add a cup or so of your favorite barbecue sauce. And then we're going to let this cook for 5-7 minutes. We want everything to be coated. And we're just going to let the mushrooms simmer in this sauce so they just pick up all that flavor. And here we have it, a vegan barbecue pulled mushroom sandwich. I had some coleslaw on the top and on the side, and a little pasta salad. So let's take a taste. I'm also put it on a gluten-free bun, toasted it a little bit. So let's see how it is. Warning, this will be messy. So get the hair out of the way. Here we go. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, it's already dripping. Messy, but so good. What I love is the tang of the barbecue sauce, the crunch of the coleslaw. It's just a perfect combination. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.